back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? Okay, so we're back to show you how we made one of our own bespoke pieces, and it is a pair of shorts, crochet shorts. Okay, it's a pair of crochet shorts. Yeah. So how did we make this? Really simple. Start at the waist, right? You start at the waist, so you're going to be needing your measurement of the waist, your measurement of the hip, and then measurement of the thigh. Okay, so starting at the waist, we worked with houndstooth stitches. We worked our way down. So yeah, before I go on, are you new here? Do go subscribe to our channel. On a weekly basis, we bring you brand new videos inspiring you on all of the possibilities of crochet. We walk you through how we made one of our own bespoke pieces, and we demystify what one celebrity or another wore. We bring you also something from way back, a blast from the past, and demystify all of that. We also talk patterns, we modify patterns, we draw patterns, we create new patterns. All right, we have our galleries up on Instagram. For our wedding day apparel, you can find those at Makisode Weddings. But for our other everyday apparel, our corporates, our casuals, our accessories, you can find those at Makisode Models. Do well to follow, do well to like, do well to leave a nice comment, and do well to share our content. Now let's come back to our pants. There's a video on how we made pants, but I'm just walking us through how this was created. Yeah, I'm going to attach that link so that you can maybe see a little bit more details on how pants are generally worked. But for this, I'm just going to walk us through how we worked this one. So, like I said, we use houndstooth stitches. Now, notice that for this, for pants, you're gonna be working increases at some point. So, what did we do to make working the increases easy? We introduced half double crochet rows. So, for example, when we get to a point where we need to increase, now increasing with houndstooth stitches is a little tricky because of the alternating of the single crochet and the double crochet stitch. So we introduced half double crochet rows. I'm not sure you can, they're not visible. So but that's the row that helps us to increase. So at that point, yeah, if you're ready to increase, you now infuse the half double crochet rows, and on that row is where you insert the new stitches that you require for the next maybe 2 or 1 inch that you need to work. So that's how we did that. That's how we achieved our increases. That's just what's special about this particular pair of shorts. That's why I'm talking about it. And so, of course, when you get to the crotch, as usual, you insert your extra number of chains to make room for the butt, right? And then work the thighs. Now, for the thighs, we did not maintain the same number of stitches. We also worked a few increases. So same thing applied. We had to introduce the half double crochet rows to enable us work the increases in here. We didn't work too much. We didn't want it to be too wide. And at the end, we used lighter yarn to work V stitches to give it this nice, ruffled look. Yeah, that's what we did. We finished, gave it this nice ruffled finish. Okay, and then we attached elastic band. See that right there? Yeah, see that right there? We sewed in elastic band to snatch this up nicely. And then we gave it a little give it some back pockets. Yeah, two in one back pockets. So you have this main one, and then you have this other small one. There are 2 pockets there, and they are at the back of the shorts. Yeah, the white one is somewhat at the side, and then this one is all the way back. So that's about it. Yeah, it's really simple to work. If you want it longer, of course, go all the way to the ankle. You may end up with a bell bottom type pants, right? If you want it shorter, if you want a bum short, yeah, right after the crotch, maybe 2 more rows, and then you're done. 2 more rows, or right after the crotch, you insert this ruffled part to give your shorts its own beautiful and unique look. That's about it. So yeah, let me know if there's any part that wasn't quite clear, and we'll do our best to make it something a little bit, we'll explain somewhat a little bit more explicitly. But in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe,